stop posting. Stop posting right now. Do not post another video until you watch this video from start to finish, because if you are not getting any views, you are not getting any subscribers, and if you are not getting any subscribers, it's very obvious that there is no views on your video. Then this is the video for you. If you are using the YouTube app to upload your video, then you are wrong. I will tell you this: you are not getting views because you are not uploading your videos the right way. I was not uploading the right way. A lot of us were not uploading the right way, especially when we started on YouTube, and that is why I was getting low views, which was because my videos were not optimized, because my file title was wrong and it was not SEO optimized, and there were no keywords. Just so you know, it was not giving. So you are not getting views because there are no keywords in your file title, no keywords in your thumbnail, no keywords in your description, and you keep downloading your files incorrectly just to upload incorrectly again. If you're a short channel, then this doesn't apply to you. You can continue uploading using the YouTube app because there is no other way to upload your short. That plus button is not giving you the amount of views, rather it's hindering your views. I want to give you an example of uploading correctly. Before you upload on the youtube.studio.com, you have to make sure that your file that you downloaded to upload, you want to make sure that you renamed it to. It is important to put keyword in your file name.
After we have saved this file, we head over to youtube.studio.com and upload our video. Then we just click on upload with file, come and search for the file. Because it is named, it is easy to search for. Then we upload the video. Automatically you can see the file name now it has a name. It's not just any random name, and the title now has the same name with the file. So we just scroll down and make sure we put our tags. Then we go to category and select the category under our niche, which can be how to or education for people in the education niche. Then we go to next place. We have add end screen, add cards. I will just come to this end screen. For the end screen, I'm not doing too much. I'm just putting the subscribe button and picking my best video, allowing YouTube to pick any of my videos that are doing well. Then when we're done with the end screen, we just move next to copyright check. So YouTube is going to check the video to make sure that there is no copyright issues. This is why it's good that when you upload your video, allow it to stay. So in case there's copyright issues, you can rectify it before your video goes up. Then for feasibility, I already did a video of how you should not put your video in public immediately, putting on unlisted. For this video, I'm scheduling it to go up on a particular time and a particular time. If you don't know how to do this, let me know. I will still do a video about it.
Into your title, into your description, and also make sure that the first to 10 minutes of your video you speak the keywords in your video. Another thing for you to check to make sure your video is optimized for the right niche: if you make educational videos, you should be in the educational niche and you should be categorized in education or how to. Some people may say, oh, I upload with the plus sign and not with the studio, and my videos also did well. But one thing you don't know is that the studio gives you more options and more opportunities to add things like end screen, to categorize your videos, and also to add playlists, which is another opportunity for people to watch more of your videos. If you put your end screen and put your videos and arrange your videos in playlists, when someone is watching one of your videos, immediately the video ends, automatically another of your videos starts playing, which is giving your video more visibility and more views. And sadly, you can't get these options in the YouTube plus sign. So next time you want to upload your videos, make sure that you use the studio app to upload your video, because it gives you options, a lot of options before you upload. You can also be able to change your file name, you can add end screen, you can add playlists, you can characterize your videos. There are a lot of options you have when uploading a video, but in the plus sign your options are very limited. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have a question, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll be there to answer your question. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.